Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol F Ford. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Also, from a disclosure standpoint, I do own Ford in my retirement accounts from the long side, so just keep that in mind as I progress through the video. So I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do, though, is just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But on that note, the first update that does need to be made and actually played out pretty perfectly, I mean, you could throw this into a textbook, is that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And like I said, that played out here perfectly. So late day today, price broke down below that level. And then at that point, that is where you would expect it to act as resistance. And then you can see all afternoon long, price try to get back above 530, but can never quite do it. So it's become very apparent that in the near term now, $5.30 is considered that, that initial area of resistance that'll need to be cleared up above. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, actually the level that it's kind of a double whammy now, and I'll explain the double whammy, is right here at $5.20. The first part of the whammy comes into play because you can see a couple of times there, and right there. The last 30 minutes, the price went down to that level, and it did, it did hold strong. So every single time the price has gotten down there, it bounced very nicely. But the second whammy comes into play where you have the 50-period moving average right there on my chart denoted by that purple line. And that's just a very well-known moving average. And you can see that isn't the exact same value, but I mean, we're at like 2 cents off. So hopefully we can agree that these are essentially the same thing. But the moral of the story here is that $5.20, a lot of people are going to be watching going forward in terms of, is that level going to hold as support? If it doesn't, then at that point, it would not be shocking to see the price drift down to the 200-period moving average, that pink line there, currently valued at 507. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But overall, the trend is still up. Not just a question of can this turn out to be a healthy consolidation or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.